In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI for coding, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from idea to working code using Grok, with tips for testing, debugging, and refining your project. First, open Grok in your web browser or launch the Grok app on your device and log into your account. Starting from a clean session helps keep things focused, so begin a new chat to organize your coding task. A fresh conversation makes it easier for Grok to stay on topic and reduces confusion from previous prompts. Ways to must clearly describe what you want to build. The more specific you are, the better the result. State the programming language, any frameworks you prefer, and what the code should accomplish. For example, you might say, write a Python script that sorts a list of numbers, or create a responsive HTML landing page, or build a login system using JavaScript. If you have constraints like performance goals or style preferences, include those too. This context gives Grok a tighter target. When your prompt is ready, press enter. Grok will generate the code in a formatted code block so it's easy to read and copy. Quick note while we're here, there's a link to the official Grok website at the top of the description so you can access it directly, and if you're using the app, you'll also find a download link in that same spot. Now, copy the generated code, paste it into your code editor, such as VS Code, and run it. Testing immediately helps you catch environment issues, missing dependencies, or logic errors early. If something doesn't run or you see unexpected behavior, don't worry. When you hit an error, copy the full error message and paste it back into Grok. Ask, fix this error, and include any relevant snippets or a short description of what you expected versus what happened. Grok will analyze the traceback or message and return a corrected version or guidance on what to change. Apply the suggestion, then test again. From there, you can improve or modify the code. Ask Grok to explain it step by step, add comments for clarity, optimize performance, or convert it to another language. Iterating like this helps you understand the solution while tailoring it to your exact needs. Keep refining your prompts and the code until it behaves exactly as required. Small, focused requests usually produce the best outcomes. That's how you use Grok AI for coding step by step. Thanks for watching.